Oh, welcome to this course that I've created. What is this course? It's a series of videos and skills to help with mental health. It's how to use your brain properly to feel positive emotions rather than negative emotions. It's as simple as possible. I've made it as simple as possible and you can use it straight away and start seeing results. Who's this course for? Anyone who wants to strengthen their mental health and future proof it, but it's especially for anyone who's suffering with mental health right now and just needs something that's going to work and help them. Why did I make this course? Because there's lots of people suffering with mental health and it can affect anyone. Suicide's the biggest killer of men under 50 in the UK. And I remember how devastating it can be if you're suffering with mental health. It can just destroy your whole life, basically, if you're not careful, or even if you are careful. I just want to help, basically. I just want to help people. I remember how bad it can be. Bad mental health is nothing to be ashamed of. It's not taught in schools, like how to use your brain in a positive, effective way. Um, but it should be taught. It's like the most important life skill that you can have. You know, it's with you 24/7 and it determines loads of things that happen in your life, for good or bad. About me, I'm not a professional. This is just what's worked for me personally, like what I've picked up over the last 20 years. Um, from self-help books, online resources, and other resources. It's I'm saying this bit mainly just to give anyone who's suffering at the minute, to give them some hope that things can change quite easily. Because when you've got bad mental health, you can feel hopeless and like you haven't got any chance. So yeah, it's a little bit about me. I had like 10 years of depression and social anxiety from when I was about 15 to 25. I used to think it was just who I was, like something I couldn't change. It was like in my DNA, in my personality, and like my past decisions have just led to this. I just felt hopeless. I had super low energy. I went through bullying, shame, rejection, being isolated, really emotionally unstable, just sad a lot. Suicidal thoughts and just hanging on basically. I saw suicide as like a blissful escape if I couldn't take the pain anymore. But these things that I've learned, these skills, they help me to get to a normal level of mental health pretty quickly, and then to a strong level of mental health pretty quickly after that. So now, like anything that kind of goes on in my life, I just it's stable. My mental health is just stable, even though I can feel stressed and bad about situations that are happening. I don't plummet down into depression or any social anxiety or anything like that. So it just keeps me like a really strong frame of mind through like bad and good. Um, so you could take it further than that. I mean, you could get to the point. You could take this to the point where you're blissful, like a monk, um, every second of every day. But I was kind of just happy with being normal again. So that's it for the introduction. I hope this helps you. Goodbye.